Today on Unbox Daily, we are taking a look at Shopkins Lil Secrets, Rainbow Kate's Bedroom Hideaway 2-in-1 Playset for ages 5 and up. We found this at Target for $29.99. It comes with an exclusive Rainbow Kate Shoppy and a teeny Shoppy and one tiny Shopkin. Because this is Lil Secrets, there's a tiny world inside. On the back of the box, you can see a picture of the playset. These two dolls are not included. And you can see how the playset opens and reveals a tiny bedroom of secrets. At the top it says, "The bedroom where Rainbow Kate dreams is not all what it seems. Come to a slumber party full of surprises and discover a mini world of secrets and fun, with reveals galore and hidden worlds to explore. Rainbow Kate's Bedroom Hideaway is a place of slumber that's filled with tiny wonders. There's even a hidden movie theater inside a pillow, and there is a possibility that the secret room could be a deluxe room. Very sparkly." Let's get this out of the box for a closer look. Out of the box, you get a playset that has a loft bed. It has little fun sprinkles on the sides. The covers look like icing. There are more sprinkles printed on top, and the pillow has some more drippy icing. There are stairs on the side. Underneath the bed, there is a small corner desk with a few printed objects on the counter. There is a chair, and over here is the secret bedroom. We have double doors, 2 windows, and some lights across the top. It looks like a little closet. That is the perfect background for our teeny Rainbow Kate. Underneath, it looks like we can just pull this down to see the room. Does it come out? It does. It slides out. It's all fuzzy and glittery. Wait a minute, fuzzy and glittery? Could this be the deluxe secret room? I gotta go check the box. On the front of the box, there is no sparkles, so let's check the back. This one is covered in sparkles, and it says, "Will you find the deluxe secret room?" So I'm thinking that if you have glitter, you have the deluxe room, which means we have the deluxe room. Lots of fun details here. Now we have a small floor for the closet. Then there is a cake that has stairs going down the side and along the wall. The bottom here swings open, so it looks like a whole cake, and then you can open it up to see a cute little vanity that the doll can sit at. That looks like a TV, and there are lots of pictures on the wall with a chandelier, little Christmas lights, a bed above the little dresser and the desk. This is like the same size. It even has the little stairs on the side. It looks exactly like the playset, only a lot smaller. There's a rug on the floor. This looks like a rug with a computer, some food, lots of pillows, and this looks like it opens. Yes, it does. I think that is a little glittery couch, so she can watch the TV. Our teeny Shopkin is Sleepy Mask, and I think she will go right here on the little beanbag. Teeny Rainbow Kate has her hair in 2 buns and has a yellow sleepy mask, wears pink pajamas and pink shoes. She can bend at the waist so she can sit down, and I see 3 spots that are designed to help her stand up. And she and her Shoppy can be tucked away when playtime is over. I think this folds down right here to give the Rainbow Kate Shoppy another desk. Or maybe this is her vanity because I see makeup and a mirror. And let's not forget that under her pillow, there is a movie theater for the teeny Shoppy. Wow, she has a couch and everything. The Rainbow Kate Shoppy also wears her hair in 2 buns, has a yellow sleeping mask with pink icing. She has on a pink, yellow, purple, green, blue outfit and what appears to be pink socks and pink shoes. She comes with a doll stand to help her stand up, has the basic 5 points of articulation with movement at the head, shoulder, and hip. And I think it is so cool that you get Rainbow Kate and a mini Rainbow Kate. It's kind of like her dolly. And the background of the box is just too cute. There has to be some way we can reuse it. First, I am going to remove all the little pop-out pieces, cut the outside of the box. To make a corner room, cut another piece of cardboard that is the same length as the bottom of the box and just a little bit wider to extend the floor. Cut another piece for the side wall. Begin covering them with scrapbook paper. I'm covering the floor of the playset with scrapbook paper to match. And I made the side wall a bright pink. I guess I don't need this piece here, so I trim it. Begin gluing everything into the box, starting with the floor, the back wall, then the side wall, to make the room. Now to cover this here, I cut strips of foam board, glue them onto the wall. I glue some smaller pieces underneath for support, to make a shelf in the room. Glue more foam board onto the other wall so we can have a place to store more little secrets. We found these secret lockets at Target for $3.99, which have another world inside. You get a teeny shoppy and a locket that opens up for a mini playset. And there is a surprise teeny Shopkin. This is Mickey microphone. You also get a string for the necklace and a collector's guide. We can display our locket collection on and under the shelf. I drape the necklaces over the side of the wall, staggering the beads. Use part of the collector's guide as a poster on the wall. Cut felt for a rug. Add a little beanbag chair. Use the leftover collector's guide to cut out pictures to glue onto white paper. Cut them out, leaving a white border to make more Polaroids to cover some of the holes in the packaging. Add a few Shopkins to the top shelf to create the perfect background for our Little Secrets playset. Wow, this turned out really cute. I like the 2 levels and the added storage. Plus, by using the box, we get to recycle. Yay! And customize our own playset. Thank you for joining me while we took a look at Rainbow Kate's bedroom hideaway and did a little crafting. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.